Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about the watery world. What would happen if humans lived in the ocean? Now, let's start. The oceans cover approximately 70% of the Earth's surface and are home to a vast array of marine life. While humans are terrestrial creatures, it is intriguing to contemplate what would happen to our bodies if we were to live in the ocean. This hypothetical scenario raises a multitude of questions about how our physiology and biology would adapt or struggle in such an extreme environment. In this exploration, we will delve into the potential consequences of a human life in the ocean, considering the effects of buoyancy, temperature, pressure, and nutrition. One of the most immediate changes a human would experience when living in the ocean is buoyancy. Unlike on land, where we are subject to the force of gravity, the ocean's buoyant force would counteract gravity's pull on our bodies. This would lead to several significant physiological adjustments. Firstly, our bones, which are essential for structural support on land, would likely undergo changes due to the reduced load-bearing requirement. Over time, they may become less dense and more porous. This adaptation would be reminiscent of how astronauts experience reduced bone density in the microgravity of space. However, this would also make us more susceptible to fractures upon returning to the terrestrial environment. Secondly, our muscles would experience reduced workload, as they would not have to support the weight of the body. This could lead to muscle atrophy and decreased overall muscle mass. It would be necessary to engage in regular exercises in the ocean to maintain muscle strength and functionality. The ocean's temperature varies considerably with depth and location, ranging from near-freezing temperatures in the abyssal depths to tropical warmth in surface waters. Human bodies are adapted to maintain a constant internal temperature, and living in the ocean would pose significant challenges to this balance. In warm, surface waters, the body may struggle to dissipate excess heat due to the lack of evaporative cooling. Overheating and heat-related illnesses could become a real concern. Conversely, in cold deep-sea environments, hypothermia would be a constant threat unless humans developed specialized thermal adaptations, such as insulating blubber like marine mammals or enhanced metabolic heat production. The ocean exerts immense pressure on its inhabitants as depth increases. For every 33 feet, 10 meters, of depth, the pressure increases by approximately 1 atmosphere, about 14.7 psi or 101.3 kilopascals. At significant depths, such as those found in the Mariana Trench, the pressure reaches extreme levels that would be lethal to humans without specialized protection. Living in the ocean would necessitate adaptations to withstand such pressures. Our bodies would require robust structures and mechanisms to prevent collapse and deformation under high pressure. Deep-sea divers already use specially designed suits and vessels to withstand these pressures, but permanent ocean dwellers would need even more advanced solutions, possibly involving the use of nanomaterials or bioengineered tissues. The ocean is a vast source of food, but acquiring and digesting marine resources would pose unique challenges for humans. While some marine animals are edible and nutritious, others are toxic or difficult to catch. The human digestive system would need to adapt to efficiently process the marine diet, which could include seafood, seaweed, and algae. We might develop specialized digestive enzymes to break down complex marine compounds. However, obtaining these resources would require underwater foraging or aquaculture techniques, which might involve the use of underwater farms or aquaponic systems. Breathing underwater presents a significant challenge. Unlike marine mammals like whales and dolphins, humans do not have specialized organs for extracting oxygen from water. To live in the ocean, we would require artificial means of oxygen supply, similar to scuba diving equipment or gill-like structures that could extract oxygen from water efficiently. Living in the ocean would require substantial physiological and biological adaptations for humans. Buoyancy, temperature regulation, pressure resistance, nutrition, and oxygen supply are just a few of the critical aspects that would need to be addressed. While it is currently impossible for humans to permanently reside in the ocean without advanced technology and genetic modifications, exploring these hypothetical scenarios can provide valuable insights into the limits of human adaptability and the challenges we would face in an entirely alien environment. Further research into marine biology, biomechanics, and genetic engineering may one day make such a lifestyle conceivable, but for now, the oceans remain a realm reserved for marine life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.